Guys, welcome back to the Mogul. If you are new to the channel, my name is Art, and today I'm going to give you the top 3 reasons why I love my Porsche Cayman GT4. So if that wasn't enough space for you, then I don't know what it is. But the Porsche Cayman GT4 comes with 2 trunks. Some of you might call it boots, but I call it a trunk. Not only did I fit in there, but if you're worried about going grocery shopping and putting your 3 bags, I think that's plenty enough room. But if we walk to the back, I'll show you guys the back hatch. So right here, if you press the button to open the back trunk, you get space for your ice cream boxes or whatever else you need to buy. That's reason number 1 why I love my Porsche. So the reason number 2 why I like the Porsche GT4, because this car only grabs the attention of a few people, the gearheads and the car enthusiasts. I used to own a Lamborghini, and everywhere I went, people used to pay attention and ask for pictures. But this car only grabs those people that really know what it is. So that is the 3rd reason why I love my Porsche Cayman GT4. It's 7,500 RPM redline, and being able to reach 82 miles per hour on 2nd gear is amazing. Thanks again for watching the 3 reasons why I love my Porsche Cayman GT4. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you're not following us on Instagram, our Instagram name is right here somewhere. Thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.